Hey friends, if you wish to speed up Microsoft Edge and make it load faster, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots here, select history, click on this bin symbol, change the time range to all time, select all time, and then make sure that cookies and cache are selected. Click on clear now. Now when you have cleared the cache and cookies, when you try opening websites again on Microsoft Edge, they will load slower, but eventually after the first load it will become faster since the cache and cookies will be built, but this time they won't be corrupt. Now click on these three dots once again and then select this option here which says extensions. Go to manage extensions. You'll find a lot of extensions here. Let's say that this setup VPN was creating a problem. Okay, turn it off, see if it helps. If yes it does, then remove it. The next solution will be to update Microsoft Edge. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and feedback, select about Microsoft Edge. It will check for updates and update it to the latest version. And then you can click on these three dots once again, select settings. If everything else has failed, go to reset settings, select restore settings to the original default values, select reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.